Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd take you all along with me as I unbox a new order of materials for a few projects that I have coming up that I'm excited to share more about with you very soon. I'll also be taking inventory of my materials, decluttering a little, and beginning a new commission that I'm really excited about. 2022 is already a year packed full of projects, so that's really promising. This order of rope is from Ganxxet. I really love their selection of colors, and it was exactly what I was looking for this next project. I actually used all of their yarn and rope, and if you'd like to try them out as well, I shared a little link with you in the comments below where you can get $15 off your first order, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Whenever I get a big order, I like to take inventory of all my yarn and rope, reorganize it, as well as double check that I received everything in my order. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that I thrive when everything at least has a place, which is really difficult with having a little tiny corner of my living room as a studio space. But as a Virgo sun, I find that tidying before I start a new project really helps me to have a clear mind and to know where everything is. I think that one of the biggest challenges or lessons, especially with having a small business and working solo most of the time, is learning how your own mind works best and what makes you the most productive. Especially because you don't really have another person that you can bounce ideas off of, so you really have to find out what keeps you motivated. Commissions are always really fun because they are more of a collaborative experience with my client, and it always slightly challenges me to create something that I might not usually create. This next commission that I'm creating is inspired by another design that I made last year, but my client wants it in really bold and custom colors, so I'm really excited about that. The last few pieces that I've created haven't had a really bold color palette like this one, so it's going to be really refreshing to work on this. Make sure to stick along for the next vlog if you want to see the whole process for creating it. Before beginning my pieces, if I'm using a piece of driftwood, I like to prep it before creating. This wood is cedar wood that I foraged locally and is a really beautiful variety of reddish wood that I found after a rainstorm a couple of years ago. If you'd like more of a tutorial on how I cure and prep long pieces of foraged wood and driftwood, let me know in the comments below. I also have another video on how to prep smaller pieces of wood, pine cones, and stuff like that. Check it out in the card above. I like to lightly sand down the wood with a sand block and buff it so that all of the pretty colors really shine through, as you can see. After wiping off all of the dust, now the wood is ready to work with. Make sure to subscribe and check out the next vlog to see the journey of creating this piece, and give this video a like as well. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.